Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fit Excel sheet on one page. Open your Excel document to see the content you are going to print. There, click on the File menu and click on Print. In this window, display the options No Scaling, and you must choose to fit sheet on one page. You can see that the text fits on a single page. Finally, choose the printer and click on Print. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.